All right, what's up, guys? Today marks the beginning of a journey. All right, behind me, you see we have a Neocaridina tank. It's filled with blue shrimp. Behind me right there, we have my old Cardinal Sulawesi tank. Now, that Cardinal Sulawesi tank started leaking, so I broke it down, and or at least what I thought was a leak. I don't know if it had water trapped under it or something. Not sure exactly what's going on. But anyways, I decided that I am kind of getting bored of keeping the Cardinal Sulawesis in that plain old boring tank. And you know what? I want to see if they'll do well in a planted tank. Treat them just like Neocaridina shrimp, and we'll see what happens. Now, I put these guys in there about 2 days ago, and they look like they're doing okay. So we're gonna roll with this experiment. This is one where I pretty much am wagering $100 because I spent $100 on the 4 shrimp that started this colony, and got them up to about 10 of them ish. And let's see what happens. Okay, so this is the tank we're putting them in. Now, this is a tank that I aquascaped and based kind of off of like a bouquet of flowers. You know, kind of started in the center, tried a bunch of different plants. Some of them have died back, some of them have grown, and some of them are still acclimating. You know, we picked up some Buse of Philandra not too long ago, and that was a big old mat of Buse that we got from Petco. Pretty good deal, but I don't know, we'll see how it goes. So here's our Cardinal Sulawesis. There's a few of them back there. There's some young babies that are kind of hidden throughout, and we're gonna see how this goes. But that's the tank they're gonna be hanging out in. We got the blue shrimp over there. All right, we got the blue shrimp right over there. And yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. I actually have pretty high hopes for this. This tank right now with no heaters, running about 78. I think that that's pretty close to the average temperatures to run them in, so I'm not worried about it yet. But once it gets down to the lower 70s, that's when I don't know if these guys are going to do as well, so we might have to add a little bit of heat then. Now, the reason I could put the Neocaridinas with the Caridinas is they're 2 different species, so they don't interbreed, okay? So we have the Cardinal Sulawesis, which are a Caridina dennerle species, and then we have the Neocaridina blue shrimp, all right? Perfect to throw them together. Now, if there's enough food, neither of them should outcompete each other. They should be able to grow side by side. But we'll see what that does long term. That's why this is an experiment. We don't exactly know what's going to happen. But I have a suspicion that these shrimp are going to do just fine. Now, I've heard rumors that they are raised in similar conditions to Neocaridina amongst other shrimp keepers. Not everyone treats them that way, though. Most of the people treat them with a heater and, super clean water, and that's not what we're gonna do necessarily. We're not gonna run a heater. We're just gonna run a planted tank. We're gonna run them just like Neocaridina shrimp. But what do you guys think? Do you think I'm insane for running this experiment? Do you think it's worth it? Do you think I even have a shot at raising them like this? I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments, and we'll see. I'll be doing an update video in a few weeks here, and this is just part 1, guys, so keep an eye out for part 2.